Well, hey there, this is Sally. I'm going to just talk about AI tools. Boy, it has taken the world by a storm, and I'm just going to talk a little bit about how to use our favorite is Jasper. And in this video, I'm just going to show you when you sign up for Jasper, you're going to come. There are other tools, and there is another big one out there that's free right now, but their servers are down all the time because they're at capacity. Anyway, so when you get into Jasper and you have a look at this dashboard, you're going to want to go to templates. We're talking about a headline, perfect headline producer here in Jasper. So you go to templates, and then if you just do the search for perfect, and there it is. And then you want to click on it. So I did that already in this tab. And I'm just, I titled it what I wanted to call it, Mini Course Magic headline. I put in here Mini Course Magic for the title, or product name, company or product name you want to put there. Then customer avatar, we're looking at coaches and course creators. And then the tone of voice, you can put whatever you want in here. I put factual yet witty. And then you just want to put some information in here about what your product is all about. Let's see what happens when I do that. Now I'm getting some good answers. The $1 Million Secret to Creating Successful Courses. 5 simple steps to creating a mini course that sells like hotcakes. I love all these. I just had to massage it a little bit so it knew what I was looking for. So if I want to save these, you see all these little things up here. I can actually copy it. If you have the boss mode, it will be saved in your history. It'll show here in your history. So that's how easy this is. And next, I'm going to show you some other tricky things that you can use, a free tool that I've just started using that I really love. Anyway, that's it. That's as easy as it gets. And I will see you in the next video.